Good morning, my dear student. I hope you are all ready for an exciting lesson on the topic square today. Before we jump into the new material, let's take a moment to refresh our memories and review and energize the important points from our previous lecture. The objective of this recap is only to refresh your memory and to ensure that you have a solid foundation as we progress, because our aim to strengthen your understanding by connecting the dots and building upon the concept we have already explored. Clear? So let's start. Take example 14. What is the square of 14? 1 square 1, 1 4 ja 4 and 4 4 ja 16. We will take only one digit. 6 448 9196. This is the answer. Okay. Now, what is the square of 125? What is the square of 125? I will tell you more method if there are 3 digits. Okay, I will tell, but before we will tell you, first we should follow the rule only, this method. This number can be written in the form as 100 plus 25. Okay. Now, find out the square of this. What is the square of 25? What is the square of 25? Clear? We can write the square 25, 625. So put the 6 here 6. Clear? Now, we should multiply with 2. This will be 50. 150. 150 and 6, it will be 156. So this is the answer. 15625 is the answer. Now, what is the square of 273? What is the square of 273? What is the square of 273? Clear? We can write this number in many ways. We can write this number in many ways. Which number is more important? Which number is more important? First, we should analyze. Now, we are trying to solve this with new method. Suppose, because we have a knowledge of base. Here, base of 100 is 1. But how can we decide if we take any other number except 100, what will be the base? And can that method is applicable for this solution? So we should try. Here, suppose that 125 can be expressed in the form of 120 plus 5. I don't know what is the rule. Okay, but before we jump into this method, we should follow this rule. Maybe this rule will be wrong or right, I don't know, but we should follow the base. Why we are claiming and emphasizing on this point? Because Don't believe on me, don't believe on any the topic, don't believe on any books. If you believe, then you cannot grasp knowledge, you cannot create knowledge. So please, our aim to create knowledge, our aim to develop creativity. So don't follow, don't believe, first you should work on it. Okay, here, what is the base? Base being, if we tell about base, then base should be 120 upon 100. 2 6 are 12, 2 5 are 10. Clear? 6 by 5. Now, square of 5 is 25. Square of 5 is 25. We should multiply with 2. 5 2 are 10. 5 2 are 10. 120 plus 10 will be 130. Will be 130. Clear? Will be 130. Now, what is the base of this? Because here not 100, so for 120 base will be 6 by 5. Clear? Then simplify it. 5 1 ja 5. We can write this number into 10. Clear? 5 2 ja 10. This is the 6 2 ja 12. Here multiplication 12 into 13. Then this is, number will be 12 square plus 12. What will be the square? 144 plus 12. This will be 426, 415, 156. So we reached at the solution. Here number will be 156 and here 225. Then this is our answer. Now this is the other method. This is the other method. But which method is applicable? It is our common sense. It is our common sense. How we are emphasizing this method and why we do not want to express this method. But it is useful because this method gives the understanding of the previous method. In this time you can solve, you can find out any square with this type of rule, and this rule will be a very useful and important to solve any square. I believe that you can solve many questions without taking any base like a 50, 100, 150. There is no needs. It is important, but we do not believe. Why can we not solve the other question with the help of any other base? If you are able to solve any other number with any other base, with distinct base, then it is very useful for you to develop your creativity, your understanding of the square. Now, suppose that I do not believe on this method, I do not believe on this method, so we should move on next method. I will tell you a next method to solve the same problem. Okay, the same problem you can solve with this method. Now, here we should rough it. Where is my duster? I don't know. Now we can write this number 100, 20 and 5. Same number 100, 20 and 5. Now we should multiply it, then we should add all box. Clear? 100 into 100, it will be 1 0 0 0 0. 100 into 20, this will be 20 100. 100 into 5, 500. 20 into 100, 20 100. 20 into 20, 400. 20 into 5, this will be 100. 500. 5 100. 5 5 25. If we add these boxes, we can get this result. How? Here is 25. Now we should add 3 digit. 5 4 9 9 5 9 5 14 1 15 1 16 16 100 16 100. Then here will be okay. Now here is 4 digit number. 4 digit. 2 to 4, 4,000 and 10,000, that means 14,000. Now 5 2 6 4 1 5, this is the other way to solve the same problem. This is the other way. Now there are one more method to solve this same problem. Not for only same problem, you can solve any number, but which method is more useful at the time to tackle the problem, which is very applicable, you should choose those method and find out the square of any number. Clear? Now what will be the next method I want to tell you. Clear? You know this method, so we will rough it. Now what is the method? What is the method? Clear? Square of 125. Here is A, B, C. There are 3 number A, B, C. First, we should write A square. Then here gapping. Then here gapping. We should write B square. Then here gapping. We should write C square. Clear? And fill up the gapping number. Here will be AB. Here will be BC. Here will be BC. Here will be CA. Again AB, CA and BC. Then add it. This is the trick. Now first A square will be 1. B square will be 4. C square will be 25. Clear? Now AB 1 to the 2. BC 5 to the 10. And CA CA 5 1 ja 5. Clear? Now again this is 10, this is 5, and this is 2. Add it. Here 5, here 5, 2 will be here. 20, 22, then 2, here 2, add, 2 add. Okay. 5 5 10 10 4 10 4 14 14 2 16 16 6 1 2 2 4 1 5 1. This is the to solve the same number. How it comes, we will tell you after the rough. So if you want to understand this rule, we will tell you in next video, and I will give a more information about square, and we will provide a best solution to develop understanding about square. So please have patience, like, share and subscribe. This is your duty. Thank you guys.